Welcome to Pebbles channel. Are you all excited to continue learning French? We have come a long way. We have learned a lot of grammar concepts, the tenses, the adjectives, etc. Today we are going to learn comparison. That is, le comparatif, that is the comparison. So, when we speak about comparison, we have three different types. We either denote superiority or inferiority or equality, that is equality. Either we use to denote superiority. Now, when we compare two things, say we have a glass that is filled half with water and another glass full of water. How do we compare these two? We say this glass has more water than this glass. So, we are denoting superiority. And you can also say this glass has lesser water compared to this glass. That shows inferiority. Now, if both the glasses have equal amount of water, we would say both the glasses are equal. So, that is the concept we are learning here. In French, how will we write superiority, inferiority and equality? For superiority, the word we use is plus. Plus. Plus means more. So, plus plus the given adjective. So, what is an adjective? It is used to describe a noun. So, we use plus plus the adjective plus que. So, how do we write superiority? Plus plus adjective plus que. That is all you have to remember in superiority. Next, the inferiority. Here, the word we use is moins. Moins. Moins means less. Plus means more. Okay? Moins means less. So, how do we write inferiority? Moins plus adjective plus que. So, it's very simple. To write superiority, we write plus plus adjective plus que. For inferiority, we write moins plus adjective plus que. Now, for equality, that is equality, to show that two quantities are equal, the word we use here is aussi. Aussi is the word we use here. So, similar to this, it is aussi plus adjective plus que. So, this is how we write le comparatif, the comparison. So, to denote superiority, the word we use is plus, and we write it as plus plus the given adjective plus que. For inferiority, we write moins plus the adjective plus que. And for equality, to show that they are equal, we use the word aussi. Aussi plus adjective plus que. So, shall we see a few examples for each of these? I will write one sentence in each. So you must have heard about the show Laurel and Hardy. So these are two men who are different in their sizes. Hardy est plus grande que Laurel. Grande means big. Okay, so here we are using the comparison. We are comparing two people and this person is big. A plus grande, bigger than Laurel. So what did we use? Plus plus the adjective is grande and we used que. So plus plus adjective plus que. So did you understand this? Now shall we move on to the inferiority? So the sentence here is Les touristes français sont, the French tourists sont moins nombreux que les touristes anglais. So the meaning of this sentence is the French tourists are lesser in number than the English tourists. Now here we are comparing the number of tourists, the number of French tourists and English tourists. So what did we do here? Moins. Moins means less, plus the adjective here is number, and since we have a plural here, we are comparing two plural nouns, so your adjective also takes the plural form. So here the adjective has to agree with the subject. Kindly remember that. So, moins plus the adjective plus que. So, we compared two plural nouns. So, our adjective took the plural form. And finally, one example for equality. So the sentence I have given you here is Les filles sont aussi intelligentes que les garçons. The girls are aussi. Aussi means equal. So as intelligent as the boys. Les garçons. So what word did we use here? Aussi plus the adjective here is intelligent, and we are dealing with a plural noun and les filles. Les filles is the girls. So obviously it is feminine plural. So we add an E and an S to make it in its plural form. Aussi intelligent que. So aussi plus the adjective plus que. So when writing the comparison, we always have to see that the adjective agrees with the noun. Okay, so for the last sentence, it was feminine plural. So we wrote it in the feminine plural form. In this sentence, it was plural. So we wrote it in the plural form. And in the first sentence, since the subject was singular and masculine, so our adjective was also masculine singular. So I hope you understood how we write the comparison.